name is Matt Wagoner. I am the Special Activities Training Manager with MAG Aerospace Special Mission Training. When we first launched the MAG SMT facility, we operated out of what amounted to a maintenance closet. By our second year, we expanded, but the facility was comparable to your average elementary school classroom with a few extra TVs. Now, we have a fully integrated, functional, expandable, and operational training environment. When we first started, we got by with what we had, but the training facility was not modernly integrated and therefore not functional enough to capitalize on valuable time. Time is money in the tactical arena, and we're interested in creating a sensory experience for users. We want them to really feel the efficiencies and realism associated with our operations. We procured a CineMassive 8-panel video wall for our Tactical Operations Center that provides high-definition, multi-source viewing to create a realistic environment and enhance the training experience at our facility. Our core mission is to educate special service members in the most effective manner we can. SMT believes in truly applying the train-as-you-fight mentality. We aggressively resource the next advancement to make sure we prepare the guys and gals of our special operations to solve our nation's external conflicts. We typically run a variety of full-motion video feeds from any of our fleet of aircraft, as well as a tactical common operating picture, and we use the ATAC and WinTAC application. We execute training collectively with multiple teams, including Joint Terminal Attack Controllers, special staff members assigned to intelligence and operations positions, fire support officers, commanders, and target engagement authority. One of the key benefits of using CineNet is the ability to centrally control content. We can't be efficient without it. And once you use it, you can never revert to using off-the-shelf TVs and trying to configure them in a way that allows for efficient use. It's simply a professional game changer. Even with COVID-19 restrictions, we've been able to use the new control rooms. We're able to remain in compliance with local CDC regulations at our facility by minimizing the required manpower to run our exercises. CineMassive has been extremely flexible in working with us throughout the procurement process. Everyone we dealt with was attentive, courteous, responsive, and professional. I also know CineMassive had a proven success with systems in previous theater operations. Planning out the spaces with the CineMassive team has been a very pleasant experience. We were able to take our ideas and hand it over for CAD drawings. Then, the experts at the CineMassive validated the design, and their team handled the rest. Now that our facility is built out, we will keep an eye on developing initiatives and react accordingly. For right now, we are so happy with our CineMassive system that I can't really consider additional needs. CineMassive is a professional, responsive, and caring team. They've got a great thing going, and the continued support we receive is without competition.